Okay, so I did the other unboxing and come to find out that I ordered this, it looks like from a different company, and I didn't realize I did that because when I first started looking for organizers, I was like buying a slew of them from all different types of people, and come to find out this is not the one that I wanted or liked. So this is getting sent back, and I'm going to get the one like this, which was the one that I had in my other Speedy. I just took it out because I am wanting to carry my new Speedy, so I'm going to order a new one for this bag, and when it comes I'll put this back into my Azure Speedy. But for now we'll just take that out of there and we'll just keep it moving with this next unboxing. You already know what it is. So now, I told you guys that my daughter was like, why, you see I got the pink insert. My daughter was like, why do you have a pink insert for this bag? Okay, so y'all see the color of the bag. Y'all already know. The Ebene, y'all know the inside of this bag is red, right? So I had the pink insert because this little girl right here, first of all, let's be clear. I love a zippy, okay? I love a zippy. But this little girl right here, as you can see, y'all know what that means. She is, boop, pink inside. So since I had the pink interior, I was thinking that I should get the pink interior for this little girl, so that they both had pink interiors. Now that I have to reorder the daggone bag, I'm thinking to myself, should I get the red interior? Then the liner will at least match the bag, but that's not originally what I wanted. So I think I am going to stick with the pink interior. Yeah. So that's the zippy. You guys, when I was taking the insert from my Azure and putting it in here, I realized that my keys for my Azure have started to tarnish so much, and I can literally count on my hand how many times I've worn the Azure, but I don't even, you know, like a lot of people, I don't keep my keys around, so they've literally just been in the little dust bag in storage forever, and I'm like, well, why are they varnishing so bad? They looked bad, guys. Like, I did not appreciate the way those keys looked at all. It felt a little bit disrespectful, if I'm being honest. Yeah, and then it kind of like got stuck when remember we were talking about the locks. Well, I removed the lock off of this one, right? So since I had removed that one on my Azure, I went ahead and removed the lock off of that one as well. So that's how I was able to find out. I was trying to debate, should I get this one? And then they had another one that had a third compartment here for like receipts. And then I was thinking to myself, okay, listen, first of all, usually when I'm out and about, I don't have time to even put all my receipts in a nice proper place. I usually just jam them in my wallet and figure it all out later. But I'm like, if I can't jam them in my wallet, I'm like, there's a part in this organizer. I can just put all my receipts right over here because it's like nice and flat up against the outside there. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like nice and flat right on the, there's an outside pocket there. And then if you go on the other side of the bag, there's two pockets on the outside over here. And then there's the inside. And of course, this part in the middle comes out. It is in there by Velcro right now. You guys can hear that. So this whole insert right here can come out if I want, which I feel like I actually might do at some point. But I usually stick my wallet in the zip compartment of that. This little zip compartment here. Where is the zipper at? Over here, I think it is. A minute. No, it's over here. Because I flip my bag around. There is a zipper. Let me see if I can zip it for you guys with one hand. I can. Okay, great. So here's the zipper. And this is where I usually keep my wallet. So this will just be boop, right in there. And I can zip that up if needed. But I love, love, love a zippy wallet. But yeah, I didn't think the money warranted me getting the wallet that had an extra spot for receipts, because I'm not that organized. Like, everything's getting jammed in and I'm pulling everything out later and putting it in its proper place. But this looks good. I just needed somewhere for my cards, somewhere for a little cash, somewhere for change. somewhere for change, right? So that's a little receipts, tags and stuff. And then more cards. So this will do me just fine. So there's a space for money on both sides, like cash, if you're keeping cash, which I didn't even realize. So that, listen, I'm good. I'm absolutely good. This is good for me. But yeah, I think I am gonna, I'm gonna go ahead and order that proper insert in pink. And then when it comes, I'm just gonna put it in here and then take that one that I have in there and put it back in the Azure. But that is the unboxing for today, guys. That's the magazine they sent with the new items. I'm gonna flip through it. Maybe if you'd like, I'll do a video on like my wish list out of this catalog. Okay, bye.